Want to add a cool animation when a player dies in your Roblox games? Let's do it under 90 seconds. Step 1. In Starter GUI, insert a screen GUI and add a frame or image label as your UI. Name it Death UI. Customize the UI's look and set its visible property to false by default. Step 2. In Starter Player, then Starter Character Scripts, insert a local script and paste this. Step 3. This makes the UI show and expand with a bounce effect when the player dies. Next, test it out, reset your character and watch your death animation in action. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.